Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this year's National Young Piano Competition. Our next contestant is Olivia.
Olivia, are you ready for the piano competition next week? You have been practicing so hard.
I have practiced every...
Are you feeling very nervous, Olivia? I heard this year's competitors are all very talented.
A little, Peter, but mostly I feel excited and look forward to it.
That is the right attitude, my daughter. Keep this calm spirit.
Thank you, Dad and Mom. I really want to do my best in this competition.
Mom, have you seen the list of contestants for next week's competition yet?
I haven't seen it yet, dear.
Is there something unexpected on that list?
Emma is also competing, Mom. Her name is right above mine.
Is that Emma, the girl from your piano class?
Is that the girl who is always bragging about her awards?
That's right, Peter. It is Emma.
I did not expect her to register too.
Olivia, I heard you are also entering this piano competition, right?
Yes, Emma. I have registered and am trying to prepare for it.
That is brave. But let me tell you, winning against me won't be easy. I am not here to fight, I just want to perform my part well.
Listen to her tone, but she seems incredibly confident and arrogant.
Maybe too confident. That makes me feel a bit pressured, Peter.
Do not care what others say, just focus on yourself.
I know, Dad. I will try not to pay attention to those words. How many hours a day do you practice, Olivia? I practice about 2 hours a day after school, Emma.
Only 2 hours? I practice much more than that, Olivia.
Everyone has their own way of practicing. That is great for you, Emma.
Do not let Emma's ill-willed remarks bother you.
I am trying not to think about it, Mom, but it is really difficult.
Obviously, she is intentionally using psychological warfare to break you down.
Perhaps. I also feel my spirit being a bit shaken, Peter. Which song are you performing in the competition next week, Olivia? Why do you ask me that? Do you want to know for some reason?
I think I would rather keep this a secret until the performance day.
I am just curious, why are you being so secretive about it?
That was a very smart answer, my dear.
Thank you, Dad. I also think I should not let her know.
My teacher said that I am the brightest candidate for the championship. Then I wish you the best of luck in the upcoming competition, Emma.
She is always blabbering about winning. It is so annoying.
I have noticed that too. She is too obsessed about the trophy.
Confidence is good, but arrogance is the complete opposite.
I understand now, Mom. I think your words are absolutely correct.
Have you heard? The judges this year are extremely strict.
I am sure they have to be strict. This is a major competition.
Just one small mistake is enough to ruin the entire performance.
Thank you for this useful spiritual encouragement, Emma.
Obviously, she is trying every way to make you afraid, Olivia.
I have to admit those words are starting to have an effect, Peter.
Do not give her the power to hurt your psychology.
Yes, Dad. I will try my best and stop overthinking.
Are you feeling nervous and scared yet, classmate? A little, Emma. Feeling nervous before a competition is normal.
Good. A competition should be full of stress and pressure like this. I don't agree with that perspective of yours at all, Emma. You seem very distracted today, Olivia. The music is making many mistakes.
Emma keeps appearing and haunting my head, Mom.
Then stop listening to her negative words immediately. Saying is always easier than doing, Mom. I am tired. I heard your rehearsal went terribly, right?
Who told you those baseless things, Emma?
Everyone around is whispering about that, Olivia. That is not true at all. Stop making things up.
What actually happened at the rehearsal, Olivia?
I made a few small mistakes during the climax, Peter.
Making mistakes during rehearsal is completely normal. Don't worry.
But at that moment, it didn't feel normal at all, Peter.
Perhaps this competition is too difficult for your actual ability.
Maybe it isn't as hard as you think, Emma. I will prove otherwise. Fine. Let's wait and see what the final result will be.
Right, we will certainly see the result in the final night.
How did your practice go today, dear?
Honestly, Dad, today was an extremely terrible practice day.
Everyone has bad days in life, my dear.
But the competition day is getting too close, Dad. I am afraid.
I just finished a perfect and wonderful performance.
Congratulations on having such a good performance, Emma.
Thanks. The feeling of winning is getting closer to me every day. That is truly good for you, Emma. Congratulations again.
She acts like she has already won for sure.
It is that excessive self-confidence of hers that makes me afraid. Remember the reason you started learning to play the piano?
I started playing because I truly love music, Mom.
Emma, why do you always want to compete and challenge me?
What are you talking about? I don't understand what you mean.
You always find ways to make me feel small and incompetent.
That is not true at all, Olivia. I never did that.
My parents always expect me to win every competition. Is it really like that, Emma? I didn't know you were under so much pressure. If I lose and don't bring the trophy back, they will be very disappointed.
That sounds really difficult and stressful for you, Emma.
Olivia, what did Emma just say to you backstage?
She said something completely unexpected, Peter. She always has to live in a feeling of being weighed down by pressure.
What unexpected thing did she say? Tell me.
That explains some of her strange behavior.
Perhaps, Mom.
She is really pitiful.
But family pressure cannot be an excuse for being mean.
You are absolutely right, Dad. I agree.
I cannot remember the ending of this song anymore.
Do you need my help to remember the melody, Emma?
Why do you want to help me right now, Olivia? Don't you hate me?
Because I think we are both artists who love music.
I thought you hated me and wanted me to fail miserably. I don't hate you, Emma, because I believe kindness is always important.
Did you really help your biggest rival in the competition?
Yes, Peter. I helped her remember the ending notes.
I really couldn't believe you would do something so forgiving, Olivia.
Even she didn't expect me to do that, Peter. Olivia, I have something important I really need to tell you.
What is it, Emma? Just tell me.
I lied about my teacher calling me the favorite to win. Did you really lie about that, Emma? Why did you do it?
I was scared that if I didn't say that, people wouldn't respect me.
You don't need to lie to get respect from others. Only now do I understand that precious thing, Olivia. Honesty is always better than trying to create a false facade. I was the one who spread rumors about your rehearsal. I suspected that for a long time, Emma, but I didn't want to make a big deal of it. I am really sorry for all the terrible things I have done to you. Thank you for bravely telling me the truth right now. You should have been very angry with me. Perhaps, but now I just want to focus completely on music. I feel I really don't deserve this kindness from you. All of us deserve a second chance to fix our mistakes.
The competition judges have heard rumors about my lies.
What happened to you, Emma? Did they punish you? They called and spoke directly with my piano teacher, Olivia. And what was the result of that conversation? Did the teacher say anything?
My piano teacher felt very disappointed in my behavior.
I understand that feeling. Surely the teacher expected a lot from you. I had to stand up and admit everything before my teacher. Standing up to admit fault surely wasn't easy for you at all.
So finally, Emma's lies have caught up with her.
That's right, Peter. Finally, the truth always wins and is revealed.
Dishonesty in life will always create countless problems.
Yes, Dad. I see that your teaching is absolutely correct and deep. I spent too much time just worrying about winning at all costs. And you accidentally forgot to enjoy the wonderful beauty of music. That is exactly right, Olivia. I really feel deep regret. I hope everything from now on will become better for you.
It is your official performance time, Olivia. Go for it, dear. I have prepared my mentality for this performance, Mom.
Just step out there confidently and play from your heart.
Yes, I will do as you taught. Perform with all my might for music.
Wish you good luck and a wonderful performance, Olivia.
Thank you very much, Emma. I also wish you complete your performance excellently.
I am really very grateful to you for helping me earlier. It is nothing, Emma. You completely deserve to receive that help.
No matter what the result is, we are always proud of you.
Thank you very much, Peter. Your presence is my motivation. How are you feeling now, my dear daughter?
I feel very calm and peaceful for the first time in my life, Mom.
You have that calmness because you are focusing entirely on music.
That is right, Dad. I am focusing on music, not on fear. You played that piece beautifully today.
Thank you, Emma. I really enjoyed your performance as well.
What valuable lesson did you learn for yourself after all this?
I realized that winning and winning the gold trophy is not everything.
So according to you, what is truly the most important thing in this life?
Talent can impress everyone, but kindness, honesty, and